What if I told you there's a part of our planet moving so slowly? It makes geological time feel like a sprint. Deep within Earth's frozen wilderness lies a colossal sheet of ice, so still, so ancient, that scientists once thought it had completely stopped moving. But beneath its silent surface, this glacier holds clues to our planet's most profound mysteries. Today, we're unveiling Earth's slowest-moving glacier, a frozen giant whose stillness may be the key to understanding our planet's icy heart. Segment 1, The Glacial Paradox, Speed versus Significance. Glaciers, the slow rivers of ice that sculpt mountains, carve valleys, and reshape entire continents. Most of them move several feet, or even meters, every single day, driven by immense pressure and gravity. But not all ice flows the same. Imagine a glacier that moves so slowly. You'd need a century to notice any change. It's the ultimate paradox, motion that's invisible to the human eye, yet powerful enough to shape the land beneath it. And it's this paradox that led scientists to one of the most extraordinary discoveries in modern glaciology. They found a glacier that barely creeps forward, just a few inches per decade, yet it contains a frozen record of Earth's climate stretching back hundreds of thousands of years. Segment 2, Unveiling the Still Giant. Meet the Ruth Glacier of Antarctica's Ellsworth Mountains, often called the Still Giant. Nestled deep within one of the coldest, driest, and most isolated regions on Earth, this glacier is practically immobile. Its ice is so cold and rigid that internal deformation, the force that makes most glaciers flow, is almost non-existent. To the naked eye, it looks eternal, frozen in time. But under the surface, something extraordinary is happening. Tiny shifts, just millimeters per year, whisper the story of tectonic forces, ancient snowfall, and a climate that has remained relatively untouched for millennia. Segment 3, Beneath the Ice. To see a glacier this still, scientists turn to cutting-edge technology, satellite interferometry, ice-penetrating radar, and cryoseismology. These tools revealed that even the slowest glaciers aren't entirely motionless. Deep below, the ice grinds ever so slightly over the ancient rock bed, generating faint tremors, microquakes, that tell us about its internal stress and structure. The glacier's deep layers preserve pockets of ancient air, tiny time capsules from the prehistoric atmosphere. Each layer tells a story of how Earth breathed, changed, and adapted across ages. Segment 4, A Window to Climate's Past and Future. When researchers extracted ice cores from this motionless glacier, they found some of the oldest and most undisturbed ice ever recorded. These samples became powerful archives of Earth's climatic history, revealing cycles of warming, cooling, and greenhouse gas fluctuations. But here's the twist: this glacier's slowness isn't just fascinating, it's crucial. Because it barely moves, its layers remain undisturbed, preserving a pristine record of atmospheric history that faster melting glaciers have long lost. In a world where climate change is accelerating ice melt globally, this glacier stands as a rare window, showing us what stability once looked like, and how delicate that balance truly is. Segment 5, More Than Just Ice, A Living Legacy. Beneath its icy shell, scientists have found traces of microbial life, extremophiles that thrive in the harshest cold, surviving on minerals and trapped gases. These tiny organisms could hold clues to how life exists in extreme environments, even beyond Earth, on Mars or the icy moons of Jupiter. And for the small research teams who venture here, the glacier represents more than science. It's a symbol of endurance, of patience, of nature's quiet persistence. Its stillness isn't lifeless, it's alive in slow motion. Segment 6, The Message of the Ice. As the world warms, even the slowest moving glaciers are not immune. The still giant, once untouched, is beginning to show signs of subtle thinning, a quiet reminder that no part of our planet is truly beyond change. So next time you think of glaciers as cold, frozen relics of the past, remember this one. A glacier that barely moves, yet speaks volumes about our planet's resilience, fragility, and memory. Segment 7, Call to Action. Can you imagine something that moves only inches in a decade, yet could define the future of climate science? If that fascinates you, don't let this story stop here. Like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Know Your Earth, where we explore the planet's most incredible natural wonders, one discovery at a time every Wednesday and Saturday at 4 p.m. Subscribe, like and share.